This Tom got his bobber floating away. Setting the hook. He's on. He's got him. Let's see what he's got. Oh boy. Need a net, Tom?
I don't know yet.
Oh, look at that. He done spit your shad out and everything. Oh yeah. Did you tell what kind of fish that was, Tom?
That was a gar.
That was a gar. Woo-wee.
I'm gonna take my time getting this one. I only got 6 pound test.
Uh-oh. When we get him close, I'll do what I can to get him in his net.
Whoa.
Yes, sir.
Talk about whoa.
How's it go?
Whoa.
Let's go see if we can get him in. Hold on.
Not yet. I guarantee you not yet.
See if he's gonna jump.
Yep.
Uh-oh. 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 We might be in trouble. All right.
Okay. I don't think he's ready. Whoa.
Got him.
Whoa. There goes your float. Whoa.
Uh-oh. Ain't nothing on mine. I can
Okay.
see the minnow flipping. All right. That's how it works. Here on Roland Cooper State Park.
Booyah.
Boom.